Namaste. Welcome to Beauty, Body and Being with me, Kirti Chakoti. In the previous episode, I was talking about skin healing gel, which actually treats the skin in many ways and removes all the disorders from the skin. So let me talk about some testimonies today who have used and benefited from this product. This speaks about how Noni skin healing gel has helped her acne and pimples and reduced the spots and treated her pimple problem. You can also see the images of before using skin healing gel and after using skin healing gel, how the pimples have reduced in just few days. This is a fungal infection which a child had from his childhood, and it started growing as he was growing old. So after they came to know about the skin healing gel and I suggested them to try it, they can see that the skin has dried up completely, started peeling off and giving a new skin, reducing that fungal infection and giving a new skin altogether in that area. This is especially for men. Most of the men go to their salons, the nearby salons or the favorite salons for haircut and hair styling. So, and even the beard. So here you should notice that the salon may not have been sterilizing their equipments and they might repeat the same after grooming another person. So what happens, the transmission happens of all the fungal infections and other scalp and skin issues through one to another. It's very important you carry your trimmer from home so that they use your equipments and you don't get any other skin or scalp issues through the salons. So here I have a picture where a young boy who has gone for a salon and got fungal infection. So we are treating that person with Noni skin healing pulp, and that has actually reduced to a greater extent, but yet to heal it will. So far we've only known that there's fungal infection in the scalp, but I recently came to know that we also have fungal infection to the hair. So this is a picture which shows the fungus developing on the hair. So what happens is a fungus hair paina develop ayinappudu ekkadaithe fungus untundo akkadi varaku hair break ayipotundi. So adi hair break ayipoyi aa hair grow ne avadu, and a fungal infection ki doctors దగ్గరికి వెళ్తే ట్రీట్మెంట్ లేదు, ఏదో medicines ఇచ్చారు, but the girl is very young and we don't know the side effects of the medicines. So somebody referred our brand and they called us. So I took this as a challenge and giving them our skin healing gel and also hair care products like shampoo and hair oil. So deentoti fungal infection anedi chaala matku reduce అయిపోయింది and also makes healthy hair with the hair oil and shampoo. This is an image of the animal scratch. So immediately the customer had Noni skin healing gel in the fridge, picked it up and applied it. So you can see that you hardly realized you were hurt, or the bleeding stops immediately. There's no blood clot, there's no infection happening there. It immediately dries up and heals the wound. Here is the image which shows the mosquito bites, the insect bites. So most of the parents come up, ask me, mosquito bites, those marks remain because children scratch and they remain like that. So I gave a solution of combination. One is the soap and the skin healing gel, and using skin healing gel at night before sleep on that affected areas, they could see the reduction in the spots. And whenever there's any insect bite, ant bite or any injury, just applying skin healing gel over it, you would see magical difference in just few minutes. This is a problem which is very common these days, that is warts, ante pulipirlu. So pulipirlu ival repu chinna pillalki kuda vastundi. So ivanni eliminate cheyali ante మన దగ్గర ప్రస్తుతానికి డాక్టర్స్ దగ్గర సొల్యూషన్స్ లేవు. they say that you can cut it or minor surgery cheyali or whatever. But with skin healing gel, we had a customer in US actually who was used to repair her skin but gradually she understood that the what she had on her face has completely fallen off. And after her feedback, I started telling to people who had these similar issues, and everybody has noticed the beautiful difference that the warts have fallen off in just few days. What you have to do is apply it every night and sleep off, and in few days you will see, depends on the size of the wart, it falls off. If it's very big, it gradually shrinks and then falls off.